Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. Yes, episode 126, coming to you live from East Tennessee. Beautiful East Tennessee. Just had a light rain. We may have some hummingbirds come through, that's why I didn't plug the mic up on the camera. Just had a little light rain. We got a siren in the background now, so that's what happens when you turn the camera on. Look at that old beauty right there. Is that an old one or what? Let's get to it, guys. Episode 126. Look at this. I've had this here for a few days. It's time to do it. It's Sunday evening, about 7:15. So here we are. Thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with me. We'll get this open. This thing is really secure. Let's just say that. I don't want to cut too deep here. Somebody went the extra mile. Old number 71 there. They've been dropping some 71s. This is vintage 2017. Old user there. I love it. Nice and thick. I noticed they thinned them out. I like these thick babies here. One of my first GEC mounts I purchased. Anyways, you guys probably already know what I have in a box here. No, they didn't tape it in there. That's good. So let's see what we have. Anything else in here? Nope. Just some packing material. Here it is, guys. Uh-oh. Oops. I think I know what's in there. Our lovely friend Malcolm Merriweather. He's got a beauty today. Look at this. Look what he's got. That's why I was bringing that out. Yep, number 35. I guess we'll just pop it with this old scalp here. Ooh. Hope everyone has been doing well. I've been doing all right. Been a little busy. Let's see what we got in here. There it is. And if you didn't know already, don't eat these. You're not supposed to eat those. We have a hummingbird. If you guys hear him there. Oh yeah. Tidioute Cutlery. Love that emblem right there. That's pretty slick. Johnny on the spot. Let's see what we got here. I think I've seen a picture of it, but I really don't remember it. I remember it looking really nice. And I liked it. Look at that. Look at that beauty, guys. Number 35. One of my favorite frames. I just love that. It's like a cigar. You know, it reminds me of let's see here. So I apologize. This reminds me of a cigar. Look at that. That's the cigar. Yep. So, if you got one, fire one up. Look at that. What a beauty, guys. I love that emblem there, that shield. That's slick. I love that jigging right there. Feels nice. Transitions feel nice. Just smooth and slick. I'm getting it all fingerprinted up too. Look at that. That's why I didn't put any lotion on my hands, because it tends to add to the fingerprints. It's just slick, guys. There's smooth transitions there. Let's take a look around her. What a beauty. Let's check that pull. Oh, that's nice. No half stop. I was kind of expecting a half stop, but no half stop there. Long pull, man, and it's got some pull to it. That's very close to an 8. I would have to, 7 3/4 maybe. She's tight. That's awesome right there. That is nice and tight right there. Let's check this out. There's our can opener there. That felt real good. Poked me a little bit too. That's nice. Oh yeah, that's nice and tight right there. This is a beauty, guys. That is a beautiful little piece right here. Yeah, I like that pull right there. Very close to an 8, if not an 8. Let's check her out here. Open her up. That's what this is about. Now I could do without that. I'm guessing that's maybe a wrench right there for a bolt. I could do without that. If that's not what that is, you can let me know in the comments. But that's the only thing that I'm not happy about. I wish they would just left that straight like it was supposed to be. Have your can opener. Have your little screwdriver there if you need it. Let's wipe this blade off a little bit. There we go. Look at that, guys. Johnny on the spot. That's a beauty. Very nice. Let's get you little weights and measurements. We'll get you guys out of here. Now, this probably is not going to switch over to ounces because, it's always been like that on all these episodes. Oh, there we went, ounces. We're lucky today, guys. What are we? Yeah. I would say that's probably about what that weighs. It's got a little weight to it. A nice weight, though. It feels quality. Feels great. Just to give you a comparison, this old tank right here. Where are we? -7 right there. There we go. Yeah, so a little lighter than that one. I'm trying to date this now, and I really don't know the date to it. So if any of you guys may know how the date of that Tang stamp right there, let me know. Cumulus. Camp knife, scout knife. There's your blades there. And if you're just wondering what there's your number 71 right there, bolt nose. 2017 production. OD linen green micarta. Yeah, that's a beauty right there. I really appreciate it. What do you guys think about this? I think it's a home run. Johnny on the spot home run, if you ask me. If you was wondering about my calipers are MIA right now, so there it is. Just under 6.5. Open right there. I like this wood because I don't have to worry about scratching anything. So you're just over 7.5 overall. That's right on the money right there. Don't look like it, but it is. So that's just over 7.5. I like this. And just to give you an idea right here on this little doohickey right here, you're right at 2 inches almost, maybe a little over. Get that lined up. There we go. So right at 5.25, maybe just a hair over 5.25. Yeah, just about an eighth over 5.25 there. Your overall with your screwdriver. And we'll get your overall closed here. Just in case you're wondering, you didn't want to look it up. So right at 3.75 overall closed. And a little over a half inch there. Yeah, so we are in the thickness. I like a nice thick one. That's why I like these older. That's why I really didn't like to see that they thinned out the bull noses. Added a blade and thinned the handles out, and they're overall thinner overall compared to this one. I like that nice thin scale on there, or a nice thick scale on there. So I like a little hefty knife. It look real nice in here. I don't want to get too. It's not mine, so just to give you an idea what it looks like in there. Really easy with it. Look at this way right here. Look at that. That's a beauty. That's nice right there. Anyways, guys, I thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with us. There we are. '22 production here. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me what you think about this piece right here. Is it a home run? Hillbilly? Over and out of here, guys. Peace.